Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is 24K if you are new here. So today is going to be a tutorial. I decided to do a blue look today. I've never done blue eyeshadow, so I decided to give it a try and I like it. So I decided to go ahead and record it for you guys. I really do like this look. If you guys like it, do me a favor, leave me a comment down below and hit the like button. It lets YouTube know that you like my content and it lets me know that you like the content so I can keep doing more content like this. So let's go ahead and get into the tutorial.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. We time, you, I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's do, babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's do, babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long, right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here alone, but I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's do, babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Sweet talk, sweet yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm sorry for what I have put you through. I still have you on my mind, my mind. My focus been drifting away from you. Just wasn't our time, our time. You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night. But I tried and I tried and I tried to hold you tight. So I'm here tonight, and I'm giving us one last chance, 'cause I don't wanna lose what we had. 'Cause I'm not feeling right, and I'm tired of this loneliness. Let me prove it, 'cause I swear I will. Love you better, yeah, yeah. Love you better, oh, love you better, love you better way. Lately I've been feeling some type of way. I'm losing my mind, my mind. I know saying sorry might not be enough. Just tell me how I can make things right. Things right. You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night.
Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I had such a fun time creating this look. This is actually my first time doing a full blue eyeshadow look on me, and I really do like it. I had such a fun time doing it, and it's gonna open up new doors for me. I think I'm gonna experiment with more color. Let me know what you think about it. Give me a thumbs up. It lets me know that you like this content, and I'll keep on creating more content just like this. Everything I use will be down in the description box, so go ahead and check that out. And as always, I love you guys, and I hope you guys are being safe. Love you. Bye.
She loving the likes, she living the life, yeah. She Instagram famous, you know that it's dangerous. Baby, you famous, Instagram famous. Body on 10, your body on 10. Shawty, you banging, oh yeah. We gon' get paid now, we gon' get paid now, okay. We gon' get paid now, we gon' get paid now, we gon' get paid now,